Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the G&P Trucking YouTube channel. I'm Trucker Jim, the media director here at G&P, and I want to ask all G&P drivers, please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell to set up notifications so you won't miss any of the content that's coming on this channel. Going forward, we're going to be using this as a communication and training tool for our drivers. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Transflo app. The Transflo app is a very handy tool that we're very excited to be able to offer to our drivers. This application is going to allow you to be able to scan your bills to send to home office right from your smartphone or tablet from the truck instead of having to accumulate them over the course of the week and go to the truck stop. You're also going to be able to see load information. But the first step to doing that will be to download the app. You can put it on an iPhone, Android, or any of your tablets. It's going to work on all these devices as long as you have an internet connection. But what you'll want to do, drivers, is either go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android. And you can just simply type in Transflo. There is no W at the end. But put in Transflo and you will see Transflo Mobile or Transflo Mobile Plus come up. You'll want to get the Plus. That's important. That is the one with the white background, not the one you may see with the blue background. But just tap that and download the application. After downloading the app, open it. And this will take you to the registration. Now, for G&P Trucking, GPTCM. I'll repeat, GPTCM is the recipient ID. This is the code that lets Transflo know who to send the bills that you scan to. Next, you'll enter your email address, your first name, your last name, and then your phone number. It's very important you put in a correct email address, but once you have that, click Proceed. And the last thing you'll be prompted to enter is your driver ID or your driver code. Once you have that in, click Next, Submit Registration, and then we are in the home stretch, guys. We're getting ready to start using the app. Okay, is everyone still with me? Just to recap, what you'll want to do is download the Transflo Mobile Plus app. That's the one with the white background. And register it. The recipient ID is GPTCM. Once you're finished with the registration, your driver ID, your email, your name, your phone number, all that information is in there. You will be registered. And you'll get a verification of your email sent to your email. You'll do that, and then you're done, guys. You're ready to start using the app. The two main advantages or features that you'll be using is to scan your documents and also to be able to receive messages from your dispatch and also load information right from your phone, so you won't be limited to only being able to get this information from the Qualcomm going forward. But before we end this video, let me just take a few moments to go over how to scan your bills. Alright, so now we're going to demonstrate scanning the bill. I recommend putting the trip number on there prior to scanning. There's a few reasons for doing that. When you're ready to scan your bills, which I recommend doing it immediately after your empty macro, and then you're done. But you'll go to your smartphone, wherever you have the app. I've got a file set up called Trucking Tools, which I have all of mine, and open up Transflo. Okay, we'll open up Transflo. What you simply do is go to Scan Documents, and you'll see down here at the bottom, Take Photo. You tap that, and it's going to open up your camera. Here's the key, guys. You want to get a good, solid picture. Like right there, and let's snap it. It looks clear, but when you hit Next, it's going to give you an opportunity to move this around. Okay, that's totally clear. We're good. And hit Accept. This is important here. What you'll want to select, I know you're scanning your bill of lading. Don't click that one. Do Proof of Delivery at the top. And in this case, we're only scanning one, but if you had 2 or more pages, just hit Take Photo again and add those to it. But since we're only doing one, we'll click Next. Here you'll enter your order information, your truck number, and your bill of lading number. Once you have that in, you will hit next and send all, and you're done. Okay, but that is your confirmation number, and in addition to this confirmation number, you will get an email from Transflo that will have this confirmation number on it as well, in addition to a link where you can view what you just scanned. So that's pretty cool. Another feature you're going to be using on the regular, up here at the top where you see that bell, if you hit this, this is all the dispatch type information that you've been sent. But these ones that have dispatch info origin pickup message, this has all your load information, guys. Everything that comes to the Qualcomm, you can get on your phone right here, which would be pretty handy when you're going into shippers. You'll notice the bill of lading number, the pickup number, the trailer numbers. All the shipper information is on there. The consignee information is on there. Your empty miles, your loaded miles, and any kind of notes. Well, all right, drivers, that's going to be a wrap on our Transflo video. A little tip is to take as good a picture as you possibly can. One thing you want to get in the habit of doing before you take a picture, just wipe your lens off so there's no fingerprint and smudges, and make sure your lighting's good. Sometimes you have to play with the angle a bit, but it will let you review the picture before you send that. You want to make sure it's legible, because if you can't see it on your phone, guess what? The billing department's not going to be able to see it on their screen. So send clear pictures and you won't have to go in the truck stops and do it at all. It's awesome. You can finish up all your responsibilities for each load while you're still there before you roll out and get started on the next one. And it is very helpful to be able to get messages from your dispatcher while you're at home, inside a restaurant, or anywhere outside of the truck, and not have to go back to the Qualcomm to communicate with them. One little bug that is actually in this, the chat to dispatch feature, there's something wrong with it. We're not sure where the driver messages are going. Dispatch isn't able to retrieve them. So if you use that and send a message to your dispatcher, don't get mad when your dispatcher doesn't reply, because he's not getting those. You'll either need to call in or do a freeform message from the Qualcomm. But hopefully that will be changing soon, as when it does, we will give you an update right here on the G&P Trucking YouTube channel. But drivers, be safe out there, and next week, have your best week ever.